Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Today we'll discuss a solution of homogeneous partial differential equation involving derivatives with respect to one independent variable only. What it means? We know that the partial differential equation means which has more than one variable, and he said the partial differential equation with one independent variable. Now, these two things are not matching. Partial differential equation is one which has more than one variable, and the equation which has only one independent variable is ordinary differential equation. So because of that, in this example, what we do? Example is dou cube z by dou x cube plus 4 dou z by dou x equal to 0. Given z equal to 0, dou z by dou x equal to 0, dou square z by dou x square equal to 4 at the rate of x equal to 0. These are the conditions. If you see this example, we come to know that this is a function z. Function z is a function of x only. When it is a function of x only, means this partial differential equation will be converted into ordinary differential equation, because the function with a single variable is nothing but ordinary differential equation. So partial differential equation will be converted into ordinary differential equation. Therefore, the given differential equation, that is dou cube z by dou x cube plus 4 into dou z by dou x equal to 0, it will be converted into, this pattern will get converted into ordinary. Ordinary means what? Dou will be replaced by d. Therefore, it becomes d cube z by dx cube plus 4 times dz by dx equal to 0. Therefore, partial differential equation get converted into ordinary differential equation. If you see this equation, this is nothing but d cube z plus 4z equal to 0. That is d cube plus 4 d dz, 4d of z equal to 0. Now we come to know that this is a ordinary differential equation, that is homogeneous differential equation. To solve this homogeneous differential equation, to get a solution, we need complementary function, which is possible after getting the roots through auxiliary equation. So we'll take auxiliary equation for this. Then it becomes m cube plus 4m equal to 0. Therefore, take m common, then we'll be getting m square plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, in this case, 1 is 0, m equal to 0. Then m square is equal to 4 means m square plus 4. So m square is equal to minus 4. Therefore, m is equal to plus or minus 2i. This is the thing. Therefore, the solution for, based on this root, the solution of given ordinary differential equation is converted, is based on this. How we can write? Z equal to C1 into e raised to 0, so C1 plus C2 into cos 2x plus C3 into sin 2x. I call it as equation number 1. But it represents a solution of ordinary differential equation, not partial differential equation. But to obtain solution for partial differential equation, we need to replace C1, C2, C3 by a function of something. What is that? C1, C2, C3 will be replaced by function of z is a function, so we cannot take function of z. X is a variable, so we cannot say function of x, because C1, C2, C3 are arbitrary constants. So we need to replace them by arbitrary function. Therefore, except Z and X means Y. So C1 will be replaced by F of Y, C2 will be replaced by G of Y, and C3 will be replaced by H of Y. Okay, then if you substitute these replacements in equation number 1, then equation number 1 becomes Z equal to C1 is nothing but F of Y plus C2 is nothing but G of Y, that into cos 2x, plus C3 is nothing but H of Y into sin 2x. So this will be I call it as equation number 2, and equation number 2 represents a solution of a partial differential equation. Would have said this is the final result if they would have not mentioned any conditions. But in this example we can see the conditions are given. What are the conditions? Z equal to 0, dou Z by dou X equal to 0, dou square Z by dou X square is equal to 4 at the rate of X equal to 0. Therefore, let us take these conditions. By given conditions, what are the conditions? Z equal to 0, dou Z by dou X equal to 0, dou square Z by dou X square is equal to 4 at the rate of X is equal to 0, where we can substitute all these results. Fine. One thing is very much clear now. As per the condition, we can substitute Z equal to 0 at the rate of X equal to 0 here. But to substitute this, we need its differentiation with respect to X. To substitute this result also, we need its differentiation with respect to X once again. Therefore, before substituting the results, let us differentiate equation number 2 with respect to X. What we get? Dou Z by dou X equal to differentiation of Z with respect to X is equal to differentiation of F of Y with respect to X will be 0. Fine. Plus G of Y common. Then differentiation of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x plus H of Y constant. And differentiation of sin 2x is 2 times cos 2x. Therefore, dou Z by dou X is equal to minus 2 times G of Y into sin 2x plus 2 times H of Y into cos 2x. Fine. This is the result. Then its continuation. Then what we need? We need dou square Z. I call it as equation number 3. This is also a required result for substitution. Then again differentiate equation number 3 with respect to X. Then we will be getting dou square Z by dou X square is equal to minus 2 G of Y constant. Differentiation of sin 2x will be 2 times sin cos 2x. So 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4 G of Y into cos 2x. Next, 2H of Y constant. Differentiation of cos 2x will be minus 2 sin 2x. So minus into this is minus 4 H of Y into sin 2x. We call it as equation number 4. This is also required for the substitution. Fine. Then what to do? Let us substitute the conditions. Put first condition. What is that first condition? Z equal to 0 at X equal to 0. That can be substituted where? In equation number 2. Z and X value. Second, so first I take that. Put Z equal to 0 at X equal to 0 in equation number 1. Next, in equation number 3, what we can substitute? Dou Z by dou X and X result. What is dou z by dou x? 0. Therefore, put dou z by dou x equal to 0 at the rate of x equal to 0 in equation number 3. Similarly, put next dou square z by dou x square. Dou square z by dou x square as per the given condition it is 4 at the rate of x equal to 0 to be put in equation number 4. Therefore, if you put it in equation number 2, then what we get? Equation number 2 becomes z is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0. Therefore, we can see this result is z equal to 0. What is z equal to 0 now? 0 is equal to f of y plus g of y into cos 0. Cos 0 is 1 plus h of y into sin 0 is 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to f of y plus g of y. This is one result. Fine. Then second result comes like putting this in equation number 3. Then equation number 3 becomes, what is equation number 3? Equation number 3 is dou z by dou x. So dou z by dou x is 0. That is equal to minus 2 g of y into sin 0 is 0 plus 2 into h of y into cos 0 is 1. Therefore, 0 is equal to, this is 0 plus 2 into h of y. So 2h of y is equal to 0. Therefore, h of y is equal to 0. One clear result we got. Similarly, put it in equation number 4. Then equation number 4 becomes, what is equation number 4 now? Equation number 4 as per the condition it is dou square z by dou x square equal to 4. So LHS is 4 equal to minus 4 into g of y into cos 0 is 1 minus 4 into h of y sin 0 is 0. Therefore, 4 equal to minus 4 g of y and this is 0. So 4 on both sides it get cancelled. Therefore, g of y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, two clear results we got and one combined result we got. Therefore, what to do? Put g of y as minus 1 in this equation. Therefore, it becomes 0 equal to f of y minus 1. Therefore, f of y is equal to plus 1. Therefore, f of y equal to plus 1. G of y is equal to minus 1 and h of y is equal to 0. So, substitute all these results where in equation number 2 because we need z value. Therefore, if you put it in equation number 2, then what we get? Z equal to, we'll be substituting this, z equal to, equation number 2 becomes z equal to f of y equal to 1 plus g of y, that is minus 1 into cos 2x plus h of y, that is 0 into sin 2x. Therefore, z equal to 1 minus cos 2x and this is gone, 0. And even we know that 1 minus cos 2x is nothing but 2 times sin square x. 2 times sin square x, because we know the formula for sin square x. Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Therefore, it is 2 times sin square x. So, this is the required solution. Thank you.